Hello, welcome dear friends to learn Gujarati. Let's have some local phrases in 1 minute. First one is how are you means કેમ છો. Fine means મજામાં. Celebration means જલસા. I means હું. You means તમે. Donkey means ગધેડા. Okay means બરોબર છે. Look dear means જો બકા. Silly means બબૂચક. Go to hell means તેલ લેવા જા. Left means ડાબી. Right means જમણી. Over excited means હરખ પદુડો. Pleased to meet you means તમને મળીને આનંદ થયો. Thank you my dear friends to watching the video and to get detailed videos subscribe my YouTube channel.